Most people told me it was impossible to build this floor display tower shelf, but I wanted to create something special for my client that would maximize a small space while providing plenty of extra storage. So I got straight to work and started by breaking the boards down to the required sizes, beginning with the largest bottom piece and gradually reducing the size up to the smallest top piece, following a pyramid-like shape. This shelf also needed stoppers to keep the products from falling off the edges, along with a strong base and double-seater support to keep the entire structure firm and flat. Before joining anything, I sanded every piece smooth. Then I started by assembling the pillars using glues and nails for a strong connection. These pillars would support the shelves and keep them from wobbling. By the way, if you are enjoying watching this step-by-step tutorial, hit the subscribe button to help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. After that, I moved on to the bottom shelf, attaching the side pieces with glue and securing them with nails. Next, I arranged the upper shelves in order from largest to smallest and marked where the pillars will be inserted. Then I cut out the center openings before attaching the stoppers to every shelf. Next came the most important part, building the support frame that would hold the shelves firmly without any wobbling. I started with the base frame because it's the main support that keeps the entire structure stable. After that, I attached the support frame to the bottom of each shelf one by one, securing them with glue and nails. And then I added screws for extra strength and stability. Once that one was done, I measured and marked the exact position where each shelf would sit on the pillars. Next, I painted each piece of the structure before the final assembly. After that, we headed to the client's shop for installation. Since the passage was so narrow, building it in piece by piece made it much easier to move everything inside and assemble it smoothly. At this point, the structure was really starting to come together and it was already looking impressive. After securing each shelf to the pillar with screws, the floor display tower shelf was finally complete and ready to hold plenty of items. And just like that, the impossible became a reality. We turned this tight space into a strong, practical floor display tower that holds everything that was here before and still has room for more. But the best part, seeing the look of our client's face when she saw the final result. Another custom build completed, another piece transformed. If you enjoyed watching this build come to life, hit that like button, subscribe and stick around for the next project.